Hello everyone, I'm back and today I'm doing a video about how to make your robot do a smooth acceleration using the Spike Prime. Now I know y'all are probably like, but Delirium, we're not building drag racers, we're building FLL robots. But it turns out acceleration programs are actually very useful in FLL because if you ramp up to your max speed instantly, your robot is going to skid and that takes reliability out of the question. I mean, if you're just skidding, you don't know how far you're skidding or anything. So if you're accelerating, you have a lot more control. So let's get to work. The first thing we need to do is, of course, take out a start program block. But then we need to make a variable. And we're going to name this variable motor power. And this is crucial because it's the variable that determines how fast our robot's going, how fast our robot's accelerating, everything. The next thing we need to do is take out a loop block, or repeat block. And whatever number you put in here is how fast your robot's max speed is. So if your robot doesn't go very fast, or if it's got large wheels, you might want to do something like 20 to 35. But I've got a very basic demo robot that's got tiny wheels, so I'm going to give it 75 speed. The next thing you need to do is go to the motors section and take out a start motor block and then a set speed 2 block. And I've just got a basic demo robot with one motor, but you most likely have more wheels on your robot than one. So we're setting the speed to 75, but we need to take a variable, and that's motor power. So right now, this program just makes the robot start moving at 0 speed 75 times, which is kind of pointless. So we're going to go back to control. We're going to take out a wait block and put some small but not non-existent number in here. I'm going to put in 0.02. This determines how fast your robot accelerates. The smaller the number, the faster it accelerates. The larger the number, the slower it accelerates. So depending on the situation, you might want to put in a different number. Next, we need to go to variables, and we're going to set motor power to, and then operators, and we're going to set the motor power to motor power plus 1. And this is the entire acceleration program. The robot will just ramp up to 75 speed, but then it stops, which is not exactly what you want it to do. So we're going to have to take out a start motor block and a set speed 2 block and put them underneath. That's the entire program. Now let's see. So here you can obviously see that it's moving faster than it was. And it just hit its max. So hopefully this is useful for you guys if you can actually find a use for it. If you like making Lego drag racers, or if you just don't like your robot skidding across the board, this should work for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.